Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying life as always. So today's video is not from today, it's actually from last year, but I'm posting it today because it's my sister-in-law's birthday again. And I just felt like some memories deserve to be relived no matter how late they are. So this was from Ramadan when she was here with us in Pakistan and we tried to make her birthday a little different, a little more special. थोड़ा late है, लेकिन worth it है, I promise. So the plan was super last minute. We didn't want anything basic, no typical cake at home situation. We were like, let's actually do something she'll remember, and since she loves Peer Suhava, the decision was made. हमने उधर ही जाना था. Also, we were all a little tired, but Ramadan nights hit different, but the excitement kept us going. So as soon as the clock was about to hit 12, we got her in the car, Loki kidnapped her. Initially, she had no idea what was happening and we were like, bas chalo chalo. But then obviously usko bhi baad mein pata chal hi gaya. I mean, idea ho hi jata hai insaan ko. So off we went and the birthday drive officially started. Obviously, no birthday is complete without food. So first stop was KFC. हमने KFC pick किया and we headed towards the mountains. We also picked up a cupcake instead of a full cake because aesthetics plus easy bhi hai और cute bhi लगता है. And we also got a tiny candle and last minute fairy lights because we were really committed to the aesthetics. Our vision was no big party, no loud celebration, just us, the mountains and a really happy birthday girl. तो बस हमने कपकेक के ऊपर हैप्पी बर्थडे का साइन लगाया, एक कैंडल रखी एंड उसके अराउंड हमने फेयर लाइट्स वगैरह रख दी. Initially तो थोड़ा haphazard सा था, but somehow it all came together. And then this happened. We literally turned the car into a mini birthday setup. Fairy lights, cupcake, candle and that view. Like imagine cutting a cake with the entire Islamabad glowing beneath you. And finally, जब 12 बजे, we lit the candle, sang for her and cut the cupcake right there in the car. No big crowd, no loud music, just us, the mountains and that peaceful moment. And honestly, वो simplicity ही इतनी beautiful थी. She was so happy, like genuinely so happy, and that just made everything worth it. Honestly, I think sometimes you don't need big plans. नियत और company अच्छी हो, बस काफी होता है. We stayed there for a bit, just talking, laughing, taking it all in. And of course, a mini photo shoot happened because agar pictures now, did it even happen? Then, on the way back, it was just pure vibes. Music playing, windows slightly down, cool air, random conversations. You know those moments where you're not doing anything special, but it feels special, very special. ऐसी जो drives होती हैं ना, honestly दिल में रह जाती हैं. And these are the kinds of drives I enjoy the most, जो हमारे अपने loved ones के साथ हो. कोई tension नहीं, कोई फिक्र नहीं, just pure moments of bliss. So enjoy the views on the drive with us. So this was all from our 12 a.m. mini celebration. हमने ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाया, बस quickly wrap up किया and headed back home because घर से calls आ रही थी. Mama was waiting for us and she was a little worried. तो बस हम घर चले गए वापस. Okay, but wait, we weren't done yet. हमने अपनी sister-in-law को एक छोटी सी celebration पे ही नहीं टरखा दिया था. Next day we had a proper family plan. Everyone got ready and we headed out for iftar at Yer Istanbul. वैसे तो we usually don't go out for iftars like that, but since my sister-in-law was here, so we decided we should go out for iftar this time. And honestly, Ramadan iftars already have such a nice vibe, and adding a birthday to it made it even better. So the plan was again very simple. We got a reservation at Yer Istanbul, and I also got a cake customized for her from Funky Bake. घर से निकलते निकलते हमें देर हो गई थी, but we first went to pick up the cake from F11 and then headed towards Yer Istanbul. We left in 2 cars. I was with my brother and my sister-in-law, and the other party वो direct चली गई थी. So obviously they had to wait for us a little bit. And now the cake. इसके बारे में भी मैं थोड़ा सा बता दूँ. So we got this customized from Funky Bake, and honestly the whole process was pretty smooth. We actually placed the order just a day before, even though they usually require at least 2 days notice. But they were really kind and managed it for us somehow, which we were super grateful for, obviously. For the design, I went through the internet looking for some ideas, and then all of us kind of like decided on this together. It was this elegant round cake with a huge LV style bow flowing over it. And if you know her, you know she loves brands. So we reached Yer Istanbul iftari se kuch 5-7 minutes pehle. We did iftar together first, just enjoying food, talking. Family time tha hamara. It was very nice. बस हमने इफ्तारी की एंड ऑनेस्टली कुछ ज़्यादा रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया मैंने एज सच. यही थोड़े बहुत ग्लिम्पसेस हैं फ्रॉम आवर इफ्तारी एंड द फुल प्लेट्स. I don't have any vertical clips of the cake, but this is how it looked. Honestly, Funky Bake did a great job there. The bow was perfect, size-wise, flow-wise, it was just perfect. And now it was finally time to cut the cake. Everyone gathered around, we quickly set everything up, sang the birthday song, and she cut the cake, and it was just a really nice moment. Very simple, very warm with everyone around. Also, ये clips मैंने एक bigger video में से crop करके डाले हैं because we took lots of videos and pictures. We were literally taking pictures non-stop. From different angles, different poses, everyone wanted their turn. मेरे पास और तो कोई फिलर क्लिप्स है नहीं, तो इसलिए मैंने ये हॉरिजॉन्टल क्लिप्स भी ऐड कर लिए हैं. But this is how it all looked. And that's it for this video. I know this is a whole year late, but honestly, rewatching all these moments just made me realize how special that time was. It wasn't anything over the top, just simple plans, family and being together. और वही सबसे ज़्यादा matter करता है. Once again, happy birthday to my sister-in-law. We miss you, and inshallah जल्दी फिर से ऐसी memories बनाएंगे together. And we all just can't wait for that. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.